Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can properly indent on Google Docs mobile. So here a paragraph indentation of 5 spaces. So means that the first line of new paragraph should be set back from the left margin by the equivalent of 5 spaces, which is considered as standard indentation in most writing styles, visually signaling the start of a new paragraph to the reader. So here, this is the key point about 5-space paragraph. You can find it on search lab, Gemini, like standard practice, visual cue, how to achieve. And here we all know, usually you open with docs on your a desktop version or web version. Now I want to show you how you can properly indent on Google Docs mobile. You can open the Google Docs app. So here we go. A common mistake usually um, just usually block all the paragraph and use this option. But no, you don't need use this option. In order to indent properly, just type or just tap space 5 times based on a standard practice. Most writing styles, including APA and MLA, usually recommend a 5-space indentation for paragraph. So here just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we go. This is how you can properly indent or paragraph indentation that should be indented 5 spaces. So here we go. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.